Hi everyone, Josue here with Green Shield Technology. So Google's taken their Password Checkup Chrome extension and integrating it directly into the Chrome browser. This extension normally checks your username and password and alerts you to change them if they're known to appear in a data breach that's actually known by Google. So to enable this feature, first go into your Chrome browser settings. Select Privacy and Security from the left-hand column, and then on the right, select the security option. From your right, you can now select the Enhanced Protection option, or optionally, you can also select the Standard Protection and click on the slider on the option to warn you if the passwords are exposed in data breach. That's it, you're all set up.